Hi, good morning everyone. This is Bhuwana Vasista from Cadnest Baswanagudi. Welcome to our Cadnest YouTube channel. Today, I am going to discuss about ways to practice being bold. Fear is a powerful force that feeds stagnation and it prevents many of us from pursuing opportunities. People tend to get stuck within their comfort zones like a self-made version. But there are things you can do to work your way out of it. The most rewarding decisions you will ever make, going after your passions, starting a family, require facing your fears through acts of courage. Courage means taking action, despite your fears, and the more you develop your courage, the stronger it gets. Learning to work your courage can be simple and life-changing. Identify what scares you. Fear, in all its forms, from slight doubts to debilitating anxieties, can make you feel uncomfortable, but it can also reveal a lot of useful information. In some ways, fear can be healthy. Fear triggers your nervous and the survival instincts that keep you safe from real danger. Many people fear not having enough, living with a scarcity mindset instead of abundance mindset. By writing down your fears, you can identify which are healthy and which are holding you back from fully participating in your life. You can also reveal opportunities for growth, healing, and some goals that feel important yet scares you. Describe your fears. In this courage exercise, take the time to express your fears in detail, first by writing them down and then by speaking with a supportive friend, coach or mentor. By describing exactly what you are afraid of, you are empowering yourself to act with a courage in the face of even your worst fears. Break out your routine. Having courage is not easy. So, if you want to make big changes, start from small changes. Make a tiny change to experience something unfamiliar. So small changes to break out of a comfortable routine or a way to practice experiencing discomfort without taking any real risk. Do something that makes you nervous. When you let fear stop you from having fun or expressing your individuality, it can add up to a life unlived. These are what I can call medium-sized fears, the kind that lead you to avoid standing out, being seen and connecting with the people in an authentic way. So, who knows the opportunities that will come your way? Pursue a bold act of courage. Now, it's time to advance to bigger, riskier activities. First, I want to point out a distinction between acts of courage and doing something. The difference lies in what's behind the action. Courage means doing something bold, in line with your core values, in the presence of fear. Risk of this kind are an essential component of living with passion and also purpose. Think of something big you have always wanted to do, but felt too afraid and begin steps to pursue it. Because these are big moves. They are not accomplished in a single act, but you have to begin with the first step to put the whole thing in motion. With this, I am completing my session here. Thank you.